Hi everybody, Carla here. I just wanted to give a quick video or do a quick video on how I sand my cups. Some people seem to have trouble with this and I don't really have any trouble. So I just wanted to show you what I do. So I was using 220 grit sandpaper, but I ran out and I found this in my garage and it is 100 grit sandpaper. And this is the block that I actually got. I'm pretty sure it came in my tumbler kit, but Crystal sells it, and it just helps to get level when you sand. So I just put it in my inside my sandpaper, and then this is a 20-ounce skinny, and I just sand the bejesus out of it. So I always do it over my sink, and I do have on a mask, just like a surgical mask. So this is all I do. I don't know how well you can see, but it is like you can see the scratches on it, how it's roughing it up. You can see where the finish is coming off. See how it is on my finger there? And you can't do it too much. I'll go all the way around the cup. And once I've gone all the way around the cup, I kind of make sure I hold it up to the light. If there's any places that I don't see where it's scratched or it's a little too shiny, I go back over those. I always make sure that I get the top and the bottom extra good. Also, the rim, because a lot of people forget that part and then they have issues later. Make sure I get that, make sure I get the bottom, and I kind of put it at an angle. Make sure I'm getting all the way around. Then there's this annoying thing that this is a hog cup, but it comes right off. I say it comes right off, but I don't know why. It's hard to get it started sometimes. But once you get it started, it just peels off. And I think some people take that off, but I don't. I just leave it on there. And sand it. And you can see how it's scuffing it up. So I do take the pad out when I'm doing the bottom and just make sure that I'm getting all around the little grooves. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's just all scratched and stuffed up. Sometimes I even put the bottom like this and go around. Make sure that I'm getting this edge. Alright, then I'm just gonna hold it up to my light. This is another reason I do it in my kitchen, because I have better light in here, but I can see some spots where it's still a little too shiny. I'm just gonna go around those again. And that's pretty much done. And then I'll do the water test. I'll go around this little edge one more time. Alright, and then I'm going to wash with Dawn soap. Put it on my hand. Also helps get all that stuff off my hand. Rinse really good. You see how the water just sheets off? That's what you want. You want the water to just sheet off. Let's get the inside too. got these little, little tiny drops that are still on there. If you are worried, just go over it again, even when it's wet. You can go over it as much as you want to. And that's really all there is to it. That's it. I hope this helps some of you. After that, I just dry it off real good with a towel or a paper towel. And then I have these little alcohol pads. I'm a nurse and I end up with about 5,000 of them in my pocket at the end of my shift, and they just end up in a bowl. So I just wipe them down with that. And sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I may not have any handy, but usually I do. If you can see, it is just completely all scratched up. And that's it. I hope this helps somebody.